Morning, folks. 7 o'clock in the morning. Captain speaking here. We are leaving Charleston. It's going to be a little boisterous outside, perhaps, but I think it's going to be a good day's sailing. So here's my trusty co-pilot. A lot of people are going out this morning. Seems to be, to me, like it's going to be a beautiful sunrise. So we need to, all things are good to go, instruments are on, bridle is up, everybody's ready to go. Alright, we'll talk later.
We all fade away. Plant a flag and make a stand, and build a fence around your land. But by and by, the stones will crumble down. Spend your life for what it's worth, but one day you'll return to earth and leave your DNA above the ground.
Alright, bye-bye Charleston. It was a little rainy while we were here, but we got one sunny day and a nice walk, even on the not so nice day actually, it was just cloudy. We had a long walk. And off we go to the border of Georgia and Florida, I think Dennis said, and to warmer temperatures, please. And check out the sunrise.
And try, take it all in stride.
Hi folks, come join us this week as we set sail from Charleston, South Carolina down to Cumberland Island, Georgia. We look forward to introducing you to that beautiful place in Georgia. It is a natural preserve that is just extraordinary. And on the way, Walter meets the dolphins. Please be sure to click like and subscribe. Leave us a comment. We would love to hear your thoughts.
No rhythm and no rhyme. All the troubles that we go through in our lives, and all the time we're wasting living up our lives. Oh, we're only here for a short while. You better take it with a smile. Whoa, the past is gone forever. You better leave it all behind and try.
So it was a little rough coming out of Charleston. We went over a pretty shallow spot and it was very confused seas. And it's still confused. Whoa. And I'm not going to leave the cockpit because if I do, Walter will get up. And he is just settled. So we got the sails up. We have a single reef in the main because it's still gusting up, but it's starting to kind of shift. Well, not so much shift, it's coming from the west, but kind of flutter in terms of speed. We have the jib out all the way and a reef main. Nice to sail.
What we wanted the whole time. Finally, I think we've crossed that pattern of we're south now, we can sail. Fantastic. Following the ridge.
It's starting to calm down.
I did take a shortcut this morning. It was the captain's decision, mind you. I went off the channel and went on the inside of this bank of concrete that they have out there for some reason. I don't know if they had a castle there at one point or a fort or something, but it's buried, and basically the channel goes outside of that, but it extends your stay for quite a bit to, you know, have to contour that. So we cut on the inside, 20 feet of water, we've seen 16, and I went over top of a wreck, supposedly. And so now, yeah, we're back in 40 feet of water, and in the wide open, which is really nice. All right, let's patter at her. You can actually smell the nice sea air, relaxing while being rocked around. At 7.5 knots. At this speed, it says we're going to get in at 7:30 in the morning, so we might want to calm down.
The wind will calm down.
I love this boat. I don't! Folks, this is what sailing is all about. No engine, no noise, just the waves, the wind, me and you. We might get wet. Well, folks, this is why we go to sea. You get to have the best sunset ever. Well, folks, here we go. Still sailing. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We're about to do a shift change. Michelle's going off watch, I'm going on the watch. We got some traffic that went by, or was about to go by, and this guy just turned right around. He was gonna head right, well, we were gonna cut him off, but he decided to turn at the last minute. I'm not too sure why. And then there's this big boy over there, and he looks like he's going north. I don't know if you're gonna see him, but we'll try to zoom in on that. And we're gonna get the nice sunset. And then we had to turn the motor on because the wind kind of nowhere did it say it was gonna come from the south or southwest. But the wind just turned and basically died. So we dropped all the sail. Well, we didn't drop the sail, but we reefed the main. And we took in the jib, and now we're motoring. So that's probably going to be status quo for the evening. And our pooch is sitting there, and he got quite activated when he saw the dolphins. He smells them, and then he goes and sees them, and he doesn't bark at them, which is really fantastic. I'm really impressed with that. He's got new friends. I can't wait till he can actually get in the water. Now that'll be funny. I want to see that. All right, folks, you guys have a good evening.
Good morning, folks. We are just outside of Cumberland Island and Fernandina Beach. Cumberland Island on the Georgia side, and Cumberland Beach. Cumberland Island on the Georgia side. I'm a little tired, and Fernandina Beach on the Florida side. And we're having to slow down because we're going to get there too early. It got nice and calm seas finally after some pretty rough water, and the wind also totally died, so we're motoring. still have the sail up. We're having to slow down so that we approach the inlet at the right time for the current. And yeah, time for a beautiful sunrise. So if the wind picks up, we can do some sailing because we have to kind of hang out here. But right now it's about 3-4 knots. So let's just enjoy the sunrise. So what is the best thing to have first thing in the morning when you really haven't slept much? Thanks to Dennis, Captain Coffee Maker Extraordinaire. And yes, I am still really bundled, but that's just because I haven't slept much. So I am still really bundled, but it is a lot warmer here. I'm just enjoying being warm. Walter loves the dolphins. Shed the layers. It was certainly warmer overnight last night. We didn't freeze like we did the night watch or the night passage down to Charleston. And I wanted to show you something. So this is right at the border of Florida and Georgia. So here's the park in Georgia. And over here is the start of Florida. And I do believe, I don't know how well you can see it from here, but I do believe those look like condos upon condos as far as my eye can see down the coast. So I've never been to Florida. This is one part of the U.S. I've never been. It looks like there's going to be lots of population, which I certainly did expect. That's it for this week, folks. Thank you very much to our friends, family, and all of our subscribers. Please be sure to check out our new Patreon page if you're interested. Click like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week, where we show you much more of the magic of Cumberland Island.